everything I will say going forward is allegedly and just my thoughts. I am not an expert, I'm not a reporter. I'm just here giving my thoughts, right? So here we have a young lady that lost her life. She was involved with a police officer. This happened in Clarendon in Jamaica. This was Sunday, right? So what I'm understanding is that the police officer gave two different record of what happened. Initially, he said his weapon was discharged mistakenly, right? And but yet he later on gave another report that he was removing his pistol from his holster and it slipped, and in an effort to catch it from falling, it went off. But then we also have where there was this report, a video record of the young lady's mother and sister, where they were stating that when they went to identify her, they realized that she was wounded twice by the weapon, not once. And if this is true, where she was indeed wounded twice by the weapon and not once, then this opens a whole kind of questions, because if it was a mistake where she messed with the weapon while it was on the bed, based on the first report of what happened, then it's very illogical for someone to wound themselves twice mistakenly. And even if it was the second report where the police officer gave, where he was unholstering the weapon and it fell and went off, it's again very unlikely for a weapon to go off when it falls. This is not a semi-automatic weapon, right? It's a pistol. So for it to go off twice, hitting the person, the female twice, that is very irregular. It is also being stated by her family members that she had two phones and only one was recovered. They also are saying that they didn't know that she and this police officer was involved. They were aware that they were friends, not lovers. And that is not something, I think that is not something that requires much focus, because it's oftentimes we know where people introduce another person to their loved ones, and maybe the relationship is not where they want to be yet. So instead of putting an official title, they'll just simply say, hey, this person is a friend, right? So there's a lot of questions to be asked, and Indicom is investigating this, rightfully so, because it is very suspicious. Because again, the police officer gave a statement at the scene of the crime, and then he gave another statement at the hospital. So it's definitely suspicious, and it's not the first we're hearing situations like this where young women or even men lose their life as the lovers of police officers. And we see this, it's just domestic affairs in general. These type of crimes are incidents are very high, and they tend to be fatal, right? However, as a police officer, you're tasked with serving and protecting. So if a police officer partner loses their life as a result of negligence on their end or straight up aggression, then it will take the spotlight, right? And let me know your thoughts. Comment, like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. And as I said, let me know your thoughts. And this again is just me sharing my thoughts, and I'll see you next time.